Got a unit here, it's a Trane. Let me give you a model number so you guys know what I'm talking about. It's got two, I believe they're 144 Z something, not too sure. They're 12-ton compressors. Give you a outside look at the unit, Trane unit. Don't really like this unit much because every time you need to service something, you got to get underneath this duct here, really compact area, very tight. But there's a new compressor put in here not too long ago by someone. There's a brand new one, and this contactor won't pull in. So I'm in the process. I'm remove the two wires going to the contactor. Here's one, and where's the other one? Let me find it real quick. All right, guys. So here's the other two wires. Black one is a common, and the white one is the 24. Strange, but that's the way it is. Normally it's the other way around. So I'm gonna connect my meters on it, and let's see what we have. All right, guys. So I got my meters connected, and what do I have there? 26 volts. But this contactor won't pull in. Any idea why? What do you see right there? Coil 208, 240. And that's the problem. That's why this unit, the second circuit is not going on. It's not coming on. Voltage there. I'll go ahead and replace it with the new contactor I have here, which is 24, and that's what should be in there. So, meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these leads. This is the compressor wire coming into the contactor. Oh, this is a bit too much. You notice here they got aluminum wire going to the compressor. Not a big fan. Not a big fan. Power's off. I tested it. Everything's off. Power coming in. So I'll put that back in later. Now I'm gonna go this red and white wire. This is what powers the transformer. Okay. Go ahead and remove those. Funny setup here, but and go ahead and remove the line coming in. I don't know why this phone won't focus. Maybe I need to put it on auto focus. Water cool unit. Everything I pretty much work on is water cool pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my el screwdriverito, and I will go ahead and, if I can get there, probably not. Okay. Go ahead and remove this. Screws here holding the contactor. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. I'll show you guys around this unit. Let me get the sample, the new one in, circuits replaced. I'm I'm waiting for it to come on. I'm just gonna double check everything. So, and also check this out. They got the sensor here. Should be sensing from the gym. However, it's not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this wire to the return here. I'm going to cut a hole here, put in this access door, and just run that wire right in there. This way, it sends the return air coming back, so it'll cycle on and off. Okay. Everything here is all Trane units. Trane unit here. They're all, everything in this, majority of stuff in the city is water source. Heat pumps or just straight cooling. This is one of the many mechanical rooms here in this building. Compressor 1 kicked in. Originally it wasn't coming on because the contactor coil. So control voltage is, like I said, is 24. And the contactor that was installed. So right now she's on. Both circuits are running good. I mean, shit happens, but I guess the guy never really checked to see if the unit was coming on or not. He's just put it in and left. So it's always good to double check things, you know.